Hello guys, we got a train on its way. Got very first one in Folkston. Well, at the cabin, my very first one at the cabin. Q441 or Q143. If it has all the crowleys at the front, then it's Q441. But if it's Q143, then it has less crowleys. But I see him. Let's see. Oh, it's not animal, but it's a unit coal. 31, 38, 30, 11, and 754. Alright, so it's neither Q441 or Q143, but I'm glad I just got up because I knew there was a train going to come around at this time, so I decided to get up and here it comes. So it's a good thing I got up from the chair I was sitting in. And lucky enough to catch this guy. Possibly DPU chances are pretty high, so I have possible DPU chances. So let's just watch the train. $31.94, we have a chance of catching because we went through here 2 days ago on Q604 at 3:25 in the morning. Yep, we do got a DPU. Well, 2 of them. Double mid-train DPUs. They are 3222 and 5419. Oh, he's mixed with mixed freight too. Coal trains aren't usually mixed with anything else but coal, but they're good. Oh, here comes the end. A green tanker. I don't remember green tankers. Let me get that.